Thinking about launching a business in Missouri? That is a very exciting step, but let's be honest, the paperwork, it's not so exciting. Now, if you're wondering how to legally form your LLC without getting lost in complicated forms and confusing legal terms, then you're in the right place. Missouri has a pretty straightforward process, but you need to do it in the right order. And if that sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Before you start filling out forms, you need to make sure that your business name is available. Missouri requires your LLC's name to include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or L.L.C. And it also must be unique, meaning it can't be too similar to an existing business in Missouri. But the easiest way to check is to use the Missouri Secretary of State's business name search tool. If the name you want is taken, you'll have to tweak it just a little bit. If it's available, but you're not quite ready to file, then you can reserve that name for 60 days for only $25. Every Missouri LLC must have a registered agent. Now, this is a person or company that's responsible for receiving legal notices on behalf of your business. Now, you can be your own registered agent, but you must have a physical address in Missouri. That means no P.O. boxes. And if you don't want to use your home address or risk missing important paperwork, then you can hire a registered agent service for around $100 to $300 per year. Once your name is secured and your registered agent is chosen, it's time to file your articles of organization with the Missouri Secretary of State. This document officially creates your LLC and includes the following: your business name, your registered agent's details, and whether your LLC is member managed or manager managed. You can file online or by mail, and the filing fee is $50 online or $105 by mail. Online applications tend to get processed faster, so if you're in a hurry, that's probably the way to go. The state of Missouri does not require you to have an operating agreement, but having one is a very smart idea. This document clearly outlines the following: who owns the business, how profits and responsibilities are divided, that one's important, and what happens if a member leaves or the business closes. That even if you are a single member LLC, an operating agreement helps protect your legal status and makes things look more professional when dealing with banks or investors. Next up is an employer identification number, or EIN. This is like a social security number for your business. You will need one to file taxes, to open a business bank account, and to hire employees. Now, the best part is it is completely free. Just go to the IRS website and apply online. It only takes a few minutes and you'll get your EIN instantly. Not every Missouri LLC has to register for state taxes, but if you're selling products, hiring employees, or providing taxable services, then you'll need to register with the Missouri Department of Revenue. For example, if your business collects sales tax, you'll need a Missouri sales tax license. You can register online through the Missouri My Tax portal. You may also need business licenses or permits depending on your industry. Some businesses, like restaurants or construction companies, have extra licensing requirements, so check with your local city or county offices to see what applies to you. Here is some great news. Missouri does not require LLCs to file annual reports. And that means less paperwork and fewer fees for you. However, you do need to keep your business records updated. If you change your registered agent, business address, or ownership structure, then you must file an update with the Missouri Secretary of State to stay compliant. And that's it. You now know exactly how to start an LLC in Missouri without all of the confusion. Now, if this guide was helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about this process. And for more business resources, go ahead and check out simplifyllc.com. I'll leave the link in the description below for you. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business in Missouri.